This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. So, okay. So what I'm trying to do, okay. So I just created a fields. Okay, I just created a few fields, contact detail, contact fields, like few fields related to contact in account object. Okay. So I just created like contact name, phone number, and email ID. So let me go to the page layout and align. So click on account layout. Okay. So you have a lot of layouts, but select the account layout. Okay. So create a section, select section one, drag down. The section called I will give contact information. Contact name, mobile number, email ID. Okay. So when you click refresh, just refresh. And I click new. So let's see how it look like. Yes. So what I'm trying to say, so when I create a record called, let's say DTS. Okay. From DTS, the contact person is Shubham. Okay. Shubhami @TCS.com and mobile number. Okay. When click save, when I create a record. Okay. When I create a record. Okay. 1 second. So let me add that contact to the app as a tab. So go to app manager. Okay. So go to Lens Digital. Okay. Click on the Lens Digital. Click edit. I go to navigation items. So here I want to add contact. Contacts. Contact. Save. Refresh. The contact not created, right? When I created the account, let's say let me edit this one. Let me edit this one. Shivani one at this is. So when I create this record, okay, when I create this record, so automatically contact has to be created here, okay, with account name, whatever the account name I given, and the name and phone number, email ID, okay. It has to be created. So let me create one more. Let's see. Okay. So when I try to create an account called, let's say Wipro. Okay. Contact name called Mohana. Okay. Mohana. Mohana. Wipro.com. Okay. And click save. Okay. So when I created account, okay, automatic contact has to be created, not created. Okay. So this we are going to be approached through this. We are going to be see through process builder. Okay. So go back. So before that, what I did, so I did just created a few fields, like 3 fields. Then I added a section. So in that section, I added all the fields. Okay. And then I'm going to be create a process builder. So just go to process. Process builder. Yeah, create a record. It's already there. Create a record. Add object. I'll say on which object I am adding. And on which object? Account object, right? Account object. Only when a record is created. No, I want to select when a record is created or every time it's edited. I want to select the second one also. Okay, I want to select the second one. So when a record is created and edited. Okay, so because every time in account, okay, the contact person will get changed, right? So not every time the same contact person will be available. Okay, so I selected when a record is created and edited. Okay, click save. Okay, and then the criteria is, okay, the criteria is, so I'll select check for contact name. Okay, contact name, check for contact name. So why I am selecting this is, okay, so when I want to create an contact record, account record in contact, okay, the mandatory thing is, okay, I want to enter this contact name. Okay, so this field has to be filled up. Okay, so I want to check a condition that this whether this field has a value or not. Okay, so that one, then only I can create a contact in contact. So this value contact name will go and map to this one, like whatever the name we have in contact name, we have last name as a mandatory field. So when you give this contact name as a field has to be mapped to contact, this field will pop up. I'll show you. Okay, so whatever the contact name we are giving in account, that name will come and will fill up here. Okay, in last name. Okay, so I want to check for contact name. Okay, the contact name, the field called contact name. Okay, the field called contact name. Okay, the field called contact name is not equal to null, means it has value. So here I will select, yeah, contact name. Okay, contact name is null, boolean false, means it is not null, right? It is not null. It is boolean false, means does it true? No, the value is there. That's what is the condition name. Okay, saying does it true? No, its value is there. In contact name, value is there. Okay, so condition are met and save. Okay, add action. Okay, so I want to add an action saying that I want to add an action, create a record. Okay, I want to select the action called create a record. The action name called, what action I want to say, action name called create a record. Okay, so create a record. Okay, so where you want to create a record? I want to create a record in contact object, right? I want to create a record in contact object. And to create a record in contact object. Okay, so you want to create a record in contact object. See, by default it has selected last name. Okay, so because why? Because here, okay, here it will check for this record they are going to create a record, right? So in this one it will check for any mandatory field. Okay, so here in contact object, mandatory field is last name. So it's telling that system is telling that, boss, you are trying to create a record in contact. Okay, contact object, you are trying to create a record in contact object, but in contact object the last name is mandatory. Okay, so fine, last name is mandatory, but I want to map this last name with, okay, so what is the value you want to keep here? I want, one second. Okay, sorry. So in last name, okay, in last name, okay, so I want to refer, okay, so last name is reference with, So in last name, what value is going to be come here? Okay, the value is going to be come here from whatever the value I have given in account object, right? Whatever the value I have given in account object. So in account object, what value I want to give, what value I want to map? I want to map the contact name. Okay, I want to map the contact name. Okay, I want to map the contact name with in account object. Sorry, in account or in contact object, I want to map with last name. Okay, so that's the reason. Okay, so remember when you try to create a a record. Okay, when you try to create a record in particular object. Okay, so here you are selected in which object you are going to be create. Okay, in that object. Okay, system will select automatically. See, this field I have not selected, right? But by default system has been selected. So how it got selected means, so the process builder will check. Okay, the process builder will check, is there any mandatory fields are available in this object? Yes, the mandatory field is last name. Okay, the last name it has been selected. Okay, so this last name I want to map with the value called field difference. What is the value I entered in account object? In account object, what value I am going to enter? I want to map with contact name. I want to map with contact name. Okay, see. So whatever the value I given in contact name. Okay, so whatever the value I have given in a contact name, that value come and update here. Okay, now I want to map other values also, like mobile number and email. Okay, so I want to map mobile phone. Okay, so the value which has been entered in the account object, phone number, right? Phone number, mobile number. Choose. Okay, the same way I want to map the email ID. Okay, email ID. So the email ID value has to come from the field called in account object. Here also we have email. We created email, right? Yeah, email ID. So whatever the data I entered in email ID, it has to come and it has to update here. And whatever the data I entered in mobile number, it has to come and it has updated mobile number. And whatever the data I have given in contact name, it will come and update in a last name. Okay. And I want to map the IDs also, right? So since I am mapping two objects, I want to map the IDs also. Okay. So what ID I want to map? Record ID, right? So here ID I will take as a account ID. Okay. I want to map the account ID in contact object. The account ID I want to map with, okay, the field called here also you have account ID, right? Yes. Yeah. Okay. Then save. Okay. So on account object, when a record is created and edited, okay, so check for condition. The condition is in account object, the contact name is not equal to null. Means the value is there. Okay. Then what action I want to execute? I want to execute create a contact. Okay. Create a record. Okay. Create a record. In that one, I want to create a record of last name, mobile number, and email. Right. Then save. Then activate. Confirm. So refresh. So let me create an account. I'll say GOT. The contact name, I'll say Subhani. Subhani@GOT.com. The phone number is 6287. Okay, save. Okay, so now I created an account. In accounts, I created a GOT, right? So let's go and see in contact. See, got created Shubhani. Okay, okay. If you open this record, go to details. Name it has taken Shubhani. Okay, and it has taken account number as GOT and email ID is whatever the email ID I entered. Okay. Let's go to accounts. Just edit this one. Edit this one. Okay. Click save. Email ID. Okay. Dot it. Save. Just go to contacts. See, got created. Okay. Okay. Rathik also got created. Means whenever you try to create a record, it got created, and whenever you try to edit a record, it got edited. Okay. Any questions here?
No.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Any questions here?
No, not now.
Okay. Yeah. Durga, any questions?
No.
Okay. So actually we are done with the approval process. Sorry, process builder. So we have others like Apex, flows. Okay, that we cannot see because that's related to development. Flows also is related to development because if you have the development knowledge, so then only you can understand. Okay, and others like we need to have third system to connect, so we cannot see others. So whatever the majority we can see, we have seen. Okay, and yeah. So tomorrow is a weekend, but I'll connect. Okay, so can we connect tomorrow 1 hour early? Durga, is this possible for you?
You mean 8 o'clock, right?
Yes, 8 o'clock.
Yeah, no issues.
Okay, because maybe from tomorrow, mostly by Monday, we'll try to see. We'll try to wind up. Okay. Yeah, Radhika, is it fine? Half 1 hour before 8 a.m. IST.
Yeah. That's all right.
See you then. I'll stop here. Tomorrow we'll connect. We'll start reports and dashboards tomorrow.
Shivani, the last recording and this recording, can you send?
Yeah. I'll send it. I'll send it.
Okay.
I think so. I have not sent. I forwarded, right? Okay. I have not forwarded to you last one. I think so.
No, not yet.
Okay. Oh, no issues. Let me check and I'll forward to you.
Sure.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Thank you. Have a good night.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You too.